Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you how you can use AI in Excel and then use the tool Microsoft called Flash Fill to really go fast in filling the cells. For example, here I have the email addresses I want to fill up. Davis at sky.com. Okay, then we go to the second one. You see, this is AI in Excel, flash fill feature. Then I just have to type, then it's all done. You see, all the email addresses are already written by AI in Excel. That's really amazing. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please share with your contacts in Facebook. It can help. This is very useful and you can use it to go very fast in when you work in Excel files. Okay, thanks again, and please do watch the other videos. Bye.